Mostly live from our beautiful campus in sunny Sarasota, Florida, it's the O'Shea Formula, celebrating the illustrious career of Donald O'Shea. A night featuring a cavalcade of all-star performances, featuring the New College Chorus, a special dance piece by Briston Groves, a message from Diego Villada and his students and colleagues. We're joined by students from around the campus sharing their goodwill message to our president. Plus, special guests from area colleges, and we'll even throw in a parade. We have a full hour with friends and well-wishers, so sit back, relax, and mix a glass of your very own O'Shea Formula. And now, our host and master of ceremonies for this evening, live from his home on Mid-Ocean Circle, please give a warm welcome to Steve Miles.